What's up guys, this is Reveem, and this is my first tutorial on this channel. Today we'll be making a Scott Storch type beat, so let's just jump into it. By the way, I'm using a TTS software if you thought something was off about my voice. So the tracks that we'll be using for inspiration are Lean Back by Fat Joe, Candy Shop by 50 Cent, and I'll Hurt You by Busta Rhymes. I'll be making this beat at 88 BPM, and first we're gonna start with the drums. The reason for starting with drums is because Scott Storch melodies are very rhythmic. And if you've watched his Scott Storch making a beat videos, you'll notice that most of the time, he lays the melody on top of drums. This is a simple drum loop that I've come up with. We'll be adding more percussive elements and layering the drums later on in the video. I'm going to use the cello from BBC Symphony to add the chord hits that Scott Storch uses in his beats. The best examples are Candy Shop and Lean Back. Now the most important part is the melody. For the melody you have to literally think the melody in your head while the drums are playing. This is one thing that cannot be learned and separate Scott Storch from other producers. His melodies are pretty simple, yet very rhythmic. This is the loop I've come up with, but remember to come up with a 4-bar loop and make some changes in the last bar. Now I'm going to add some sliding notes to the melody. Now for an alternate section. Scott Storch layers his melodies by a higher octave. The best examples of this are Candy Shop and I'll Hurt You. This is what the beat sounds so far, after layering the drums and adding some percussion. Another very important part of Scott Storch beats are the intro. Come up with an intro that builds some momentum to go into the actual beat. This is the final product that I came up with. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you want more tutorials like this. Maybe comment down below for a specific tutorial. I can do both melodic trap and boom bap.